The 2025 Aprilia RS 660 stays true to its aggressive, race-inspired DNA while receiving subtle upgrades to enhance its already impressive ride. Powering this beast is the same 659 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, producing 100 horsepower and 67 newton-meters of torque. But thanks to updated engine tuning, throttle response is even sharper, delivering more immediate power throughout the rev range. Whether you're carving through twisties or pushing it on the track, this bike is built to thrill. One of the biggest highlights of the RS 660 is its lightweight chassis. Weighing in at just 403 pounds, 183 kilograms, it offers an exceptional power-to-weight ratio, making it one of the most agile bikes in its class. The aluminum twin-spar frame and top-tier suspension setup, featuring adjustable KYB forks and a rear monoshock, ensure precise handling and superb ride quality. The 2025 model also benefits from improved aerodynamics, thanks to redesigned winglets that provide better high-speed stability. Technology has always been a strong suit for Aprilia, and the 2025 RS 660 is no exception. The advanced Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC) system offers multiple rider aids, including cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and engine braking adjustment. Plus, with 5 riding modes, including dedicated track settings, riders can tailor the bike's performance to their preferences. The TFT instrument cluster is now even more responsive and offers improved connectivity with the Aprilia MIA system, allowing smartphone integration for navigation, calls, and music. Braking performance is top-notch, featuring Brembo radial-mounted calipers with 320mm dual front discs, ensuring strong and controlled stopping power. Paired with the lightweight chassis, the RS 660 delivers confidence-inspiring braking performance even under hard riding conditions. The styling remains unmistakably Italian, with bold, aggressive lines and Aprilia's signature 3-headlight design. The 2025 model introduces new color schemes, including a striking matte black and neon red combo, alongside the classic acid gold and lava red options. The revised LED lighting setup enhances visibility and adds to the bike's modern appeal. So, who is the 2025 Aprilia RS 660 for? If you're a rider looking for a sport bike that balances performance, agility, and daily usability, this is one of the best choices out there. Whether you're an experienced rider seeking a lightweight track weapon or someone stepping up from a smaller bike, the RS 660 delivers an exhilarating experience without the intimidation of a full-blown superbike. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Aprilia RS 660. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth motorcycle reviews.